episode of What's Cooking, and today Chef Patrick is going to prepare something very Malaysian. Maybe Chef Patrick would like to introduce what are you going to cook today?
Okay, today I'll be cooking chicken rendang. I'm sure all of you know how it's done, right, from packaging and all, but today I'm going to show you how it's really done with all the ingredients which is placed over here. Now we're going to slice lemongrass, shallot and garlic before we start blending the thing. Before we can actually do the proper paste for the chicken rendang. Now we already blended all the items here, which include shallot, garlic, ginger and lemongrass, right? So we already come to a stage where we're gonna do the cooking process for the paste. Okay. Cooking process, now we're gonna start the cooking process whereby we're gonna add in our lemongrass inside. Once we have the aroma going, the lemongrass, then we add in our paste. Okay, while you stir the thing, you add in your turmeric leaf. Make sure you have enough oil when you do the frying of your paste. Okay. So now your paste is a bit reduced. You can add on your chili paste. Let's see. So red in color. After this, we're gonna add in our chicken. The reason why we need to reduce the paste is because we need to cook the paste so that it won't get spoiled. Okay? You need to break the oil, or in Malay we call it pucat minyak. Now we're gonna add in our coconut milk. Once your chili is already mixed well with your chicken, okay, now we add in our coconut milk inside. Okay, we let it reduce for another 5 to 10 minutes. So let all the flavor and the taste of the coconut milk infuse inside the chicken. Okay. So now we're gonna add in our sliced fresh turmeric leaves inside, about 1 tablespoon, and also some lime leaves. Okay, now we're gonna add in our desiccated coconut. Okay, you can see this is already packed in oil. So you're gonna put about maybe 2 tablespoons of the desiccated coconut, or we call it in Malay kerisik. Then we're gonna add in our seasoning, which is about 2-3 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, about 1.5 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoon of white pepper. So we already prepared our chicken rendang. Now it's time for plating. Okay. First of all, we need to take out all our chicken inside. Put into plate. Make sure you take all the chicken first before you do the sauce. Yeah, our coconut rice and also our chicken rendang. Enjoy.
Thank you, Chef Patrick, for doing this very Malaysian dish, chicken rendang. And I think Diploma in Culinary Arts, most of them have perception that they only study Western food. But that's not the case, right?
Yes, exactly. We also teach cuisine of Asia, where we learn Thai cuisine, Malaysian cuisine, as well as Korean and also Japanese. So all in all, we learn all types of cuisine around the world.
I see. Alright. So thank you very much for doing this very wonderful dish. So if you would like to know more about Diploma in Culinary Art in Sarawak, Sarawak, please do not hesitate to contact any of our counselors or like our Facebook page. And there's more video coming up in the next series of What's Cooking.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes, that's correct. We will do more, and just stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Thank you very much.